everyone, my name is Deepak, and in today's video I'm going to create a UI based application, a basic application in Python using Tkinter. So let's get started. So you can see here in my screen that VS Code is already running and I'm ready to code. Let's start. I'm going to import Tkinter module as Tk. Okay, then I'm going to create an object of this particular class of Tkinter. The object name will be main. You can name it anything you want as you please. .tk. Done. The object has been created. What we'll do now, the tk class will allow us to access some methods through the main object. So I'm going to type main, then geometry. This method will allow us to set the geometry or the size of the particular window I'm going to create. Let's type it 300 into 300. That's it. Now let's check this out, how it's looking. Let's type main and main loop. This is the last line of any Tkinter code which will allow us to compile the window. So let's play it, and as you can see, this is my window and there is no title here. Let's set a title. So I'm going to type main dot title and hello. This is the title of my window. Let's try it out again. Hello. Now this window is very empty. There is nothing to do there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put two widgets. One will be a level which will show something, and another will be a button which will be used to show something through the level when I click on the button. So let's do that. First of all, let's create a variable called L1 for the level. So there is only one level in this app window, tk dot level. The tk is the name of the Tkinter module, and I'm accessing a method inside that module, level, and the first there will be some parameters inside this function. So first one will be the name of the root object or main. Okay, then you can type anything. I'm going to go with text attribute, which will be blank. There will be nothing shown inside this level initially. The next one will be the button widget. So tk dot button main, the object name, the main object name. Then it will show something on the button, which will be click on me, whatever you want. Then there will be another attribute called command. What it will do is, when I am going to provide a name called, say, hello, inside this command attribute, it will execute a method or function called hello, which I am going to create next. And inside that function, I am going to change the value text inside this level. So let's create the method called hello, def hello. Okay, and inside this hello method, I'm going to change the value, text value of this level. So let's name the variable of the level, which is L1, then type config, which is a method of Tkinter class, and inside config I'm going to go with text. So text attribute will be changed for this particular level. How are you? Okay. Most of the thing is done. Most of the program is done. The final thing we should do is we need to pack those widgets. L1 dot pack, L2 b1 dot pack. Why we did this? Because we want to show these widgets inside the window we've just created. You will understand when I run the program. When I run the program, this is the window and this is the button widget I've just created and the text on over it. Let's click on it and see what happens. When I click on it, the text level or the level I've just created shows the text I put inside the method. As you can see, this is the very easiest way to create a GUI application in Python, and you can do many things with it. Next video will be I'm going to do a basic calculator which will calculate some basic arithmetic thing when I click a particular button. Press the like button if you like this video and try it out on yourself, and if there's any problem let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much.